What a nice meal on a beautiful Sunday. To everyone actually, Happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Can't wait to celebrate Chinese New Year and Chap Gomi. Look at the news, man, it's beautiful. Who is this? Vimal Segre. You don't know me. From Concentrix. Am I making a voiceover? No. Am I crazy? No. Flickering. Why? Camera. Best app. Software. Datu Ghazali, what is that? Hardware and software optimization. Now, who are these people having drought there? Look at the mist, man. Man, I'm not trying to mock anyone, but we are celebrating, yeah. Has it rained this well, huh? Where it affected everything. Good crops. Now look at that. Man, I don't know. Being IT, what does you do? Watch porn on your phone? Slack? Look at the tree, man. Yeah, the breeze, yeah. Nadine! ஒன்றாயிருந்த காரணம் நூறு கேட்டா சொல்லி நீ கேட்டா சொல்லி சிறு நதிகளும் நதிகளும் மொழிகளும் இவன் முதல் தண்ணீர் குடித்து குடிக்கிறோமோ யூஸ் a குடம். Okay, that's the Hindu ritual. What is that? Vibhuti, Sandanam, Kungumam, Manjal. What is Kungumam? Magapadi and Manjal. Sarvopuni. That's all. Everybody can do this. I am your God and one and only Muniswaran.